We are brokenhearted over her passing, but we are also full of gratitude for just a beautiful life, beautiful person, and we give thanks for her. So we'll celebrate her on Tuesday. Anything else we need to mention this morning?
We will not have mission on Wednesday.
Okay.
We'll meet on Thursday, but not Wednesday.
Okay, no mission on Wednesday. All right. Anything else we need to mention this morning? Anything I've forgotten? All right. So our memory verse for this year comes from Proverbs, that we trust in the Lord with all our heart and we lean not on our own understanding, but in all of our ways we acknowledge Him and He will guide our path. And that is our prayer and our plan for ourselves as individuals, but also for us as a church. And we know that if we put our trust and faith in God and not lean on our own control and effort, that God will lead us in the path that we need to go. Thanks be to God for this time and this place and for you being here this morning. And let's turn our hearts and minds to the worship of God as Casey comes to lead us in our opening hymn. And I forgot to mention Cross Ties. We are so blessed to have them here with us this morning. So thank you, Casey.
Good morning, everyone. It's great to see you all. Let's stand and sing together our opening hymn. We have Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing on page 400. Let's do all three verses together.